Hello everybody, welcome to If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to make these beautiful wood racks with absolutely no power tools within a matter of minutes. However, there's a huge design flaw with this architecture, so I'm going to show you how we went from this to this, why it happened, and most importantly, how to fix it. Let's go. Let's recap. We put in 1x4s horizontally for the ends. Then we put in 2x4s for the bottom. Then we put another pair of 1x4s in horizontally into the cinder block for the other end. And finally, another pair of 2x4s for the rest of the bottom. And that, my friend, was your wood rack in its full glory. So this is what it looked like with the wood in it. It seemed sturdy enough. It was middle of the winter, so I mean the ends held up very, very fine. But once the weather warmed up, the ends started to buckle. I mean, for the last week and a half, it's been like 65, 70 degrees up here in Connecticut, and you know, the spring just started. But yeah, this is what happened. The ends start giving away, and yeah. I slid the two ends out right here just to show you guys in this video. But yeah, they broke. They broke. And you can see a little bowl there towards the end. And you can see this one right here is cracked. And basically, once the weather warmed up, this wood got flimsy. It just wasn't as hard. It wasn't contracted as it was in the winter. And these racks fell the same day. They both failed this exact same day, just within hours of each other. I mean, it was crazy. I just watched them both crumble. I was like, no, I got to do this all over again. So to save you guys the trouble of racking this stuff twice or stacking this wood twice, hey, look, take a look at this. You can see how the weight of the wood is just pressing up against this limp wood right now. These 1x4s that I got in there horizontally. Look at that, flimsy as can be. That's on its way out, but that has to come out regardless, so I have to redo this. So how we fix this is rather simple. We replace the 1x4s with 2x4s, but instead of putting them in horizontally, we're going to put them in vertically. So you see I started here. Everything else is the same. The 2x4s in the bottom, the cinder blocks, it's all the same. Only thing which will change in the ends from 1x4s to 2x4s, and we're going to put them in vertically like this. Just like that. And that's it. That is the fix. This is gonna eliminate you guys having to have to do this twice. Cause yeah, stacking wood takes time. And it really sucked to have done this twice. But here's half of this rack being stacked. Just want to show you what it looks like halfway through the process. As you can see, these aren't going anywhere. They're not bending with the weight of the wood. I mean, it's real sturdy. And then here's the finished product. Got all the wood in. This thing is 4 by 8 feet, and like within the center, I measured it. It was about 6 feet tall, so you can fit a lot of wood up here. Pretty much a cord and a half is going to fit up here. I'm sorry, forgive me. A half a cord is going to fit in these wood racks. I ordered a cord and a half. It's about to rain, so I'm going to tarp these up. But yeah, this is the fix of this wood rack, and that's it. Just change your 1x4s to 2x4s and put them in vertically like that versus horizontally. And that's it. There you go. Well, I am the amateur's amateur. This is If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. I hope this video was informative, and thank you very, very much for viewing. Take care.